बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। इस सेशन में जो कि बहुत ही ब्रीफ और शॉर्ट सा सेशन है, हम विंडोज़ पावर शेल के बारे में जानेंगे। बिकॉज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज़ इज़ नाउ ए फेमस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम and on PCs and on laptops. So the PowerShell is also built-in utility in the Microsoft Windows operating system, and this is now also available as an application. Uh, so we start. So on Windows we can just type PowerShell, and it will bring us the built-in utility, and we then can click on it to bring the command window, which is called the PowerShell window. So as you can see, it's a Windows PowerShell and copyright by Microsoft. And if we want to have a new cross platform PowerShell, we can go to the website to learn more about it. So by default it will actually take us to the programs, the present or the working directory at this point in time is C in users folder and in my folder type Java. So it will wait the prompt, the cursor position or the location will wait for the user command at this point in time. We can change the properties so that it can look like the bash, for example. So we just right click and then go to the properties and then adjust the screen background to black and then the text to green, and then we press OK. We get a similar look like in the bash script environment. Now we are moving towards the PowerShell script example, but there are also a number of Windows PowerShell tutorials available for the beginners. So we primarily make first task is we make a directory, and this directory called my script. And then we go to or change the working directory location to my script, and then we reach there. And for execution policy, that what is the execution policy at that workstation or that system, we just can get execution policy, and it will just display that it is unrestricted, so we can execute the scripts in this environment. If this is restricted, then we have to make it unrestricted so we can execute our scripts. Then we can see what different commands which are available on this PowerShell. We write get command and then enter, and then we can see different commands which are available, and their versions and their source. So now we are interested to write a small hello world script. So this is how we do. We just open the notepad with the file name in the existing folder. This dot slash shows the existing folder location. तो इसमें विंडोज़ को पता चल जाएगा कि नोटपैड में जो फाइल बनानी है उसको हम सेव इस नाम से करेंगे और इसी फोल्डर में करेंगे. रिमेंबर द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट इज PS1 so that it can understand that I am a PowerShell script. So then we write primarily write host. This is the command, and then we just in double quotes write hello words and save the file. After saving the file, we can run the script by using a command like this and dot slash my script 1. So it will execute the script and then return the control. So this way the script will display the hello world and then the control is then again transferred to the PowerShell, so user can type commands, the next commands. This is our first example, how we can use a PowerShell to write the programs. So there is also a PowerShell environment in which we can test our code or script more suitably. हमें script कहना चाहिए. So when we launch this environment, we see a window in which we can type our commands, and we can primarily can open our file जो हम पहले बना चुके हैं in my script. When we open the file, it will display here. This is my script 1 file. Right host hello world. We can run the script by click on the run button or pressing the F5. On the right, the different commands are also available. We can run by selecting those commands as well. So when we run this command, it will display the hello world. We can write more commands as well. For example, in command 1, it will clear the screen, and in 2, on the right host the PowerShell version table. Okay, and we can also use a variable to save this value. So when it initially it clear, and then it write the first line, that the PowerShell version table, and then it displays the variable value, the PowerShell version table, which is over here. Then the PowerShell version is 5.1. Its edition is desktop, and similarly other information available. So in the last, we write a very simple script, my script 2, in which the first command clears the screen, the second command write the enter value and then read that value in variable A, then enter the value B and read it into the variable B, and then it add those two variables and save the result in a variable C, and then finally print that the A plus B is the value C. So when we execute it, we give 10 as the value A, B 20, and then the script will display A plus B is 30. So this ends today's session. This session, I encourage students to go through the examples in this slide, and then if they have any question, post in their group, so we can be able to answer those questions, inshallah. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.